It's an uncomfortable topic, but it matters. Because the truth is, odor isn't always about hygiene. Many times it's the result of small habits or unnoticed health issues that add up over time. And the good news is, once you understand what's happening, there are simple changes that can make a world of difference. So if you've ever felt embarrassed by your scent or worried others might notice something you didn't intend to share, please know this. You are not alone, and it's not your fault. Today, we're going to walk through 6 common mistakes that often cause this issue. And by the end, you'll not only understand why it happens, but also what you can do to feel fresh, confident, and comfortable again. Let's begin with one of the biggest contributors, wearing incontinence pads or liners for too long. These products are a lifeline for many women. They allow you to live more freely, go out, and feel secure. But here's the problem. When a pad is left on for too long, even after a small leak, bacteria begin to break down the urine trapped inside. That breakdown releases ammonia-like compounds, the sharp sour smell most people associate with urine. Even if the pad still feels dry or absorbent, odor can build up quickly. Once it does, it doesn't just stay in the pad. It can cling to clothing, skin folds, or even furniture, making it very noticeable to others. The longer the pad stays on, the more chance the odor has to settle in. And it isn't just about smell. Skin irritation can also occur when dampness is trapped against the body. Irritated skin is more prone to bacteria, which can make odor worse over time. The simple solution is to treat pads like you would a piece of wet clothing. Change them every few hours and immediately after any leak, no matter how small. Freshness really comes from frequency, not fragrance. The second mistake is one that often goes unnoticed, a hidden bladder or urinary tract infection. Infections like these are far more common in older women than most people realize. And unlike younger women, older adults may not always feel the classic symptoms like burning or urgency. Sometimes the only noticeable sign is a strong, persistent odor that lingers even after bathing or changing clothes. This happens because bacteria in the bladder change the chemical balance of urine, making the smell sour or ammonia-like. And because it creeps up slowly, many women mistake it for a hygiene issue, when really it's the body signaling that medical help is needed. A simple urine test from a doctor can reveal the infection, and with treatment, the odor usually clears quickly. This is an important reminder. If odor continues despite good hygiene and fresh clothing, it may be more than a surface issue. Getting checked can bring both relief and peace of mind. The third mistake is skipping hydration to try to prevent accidents. This one is very common. It seems logical. If you drink less water, you'll have to use the bathroom less often. But in reality, holding back on hydration makes the problem worse. Here's why. When your body is dehydrated, urine becomes more concentrated. That means it's darker, thicker, and much stronger smelling. Even a tiny leak of concentrated urine can create a noticeable scent that lingers. It also irritates the skin more, making it harder to keep clean and comfortable. What's tricky is that as we age, the body's sense of thirst becomes less reliable. You might not feel thirsty, but you're already dehydrated. That lack of water affects everything: your energy, your skin, your digestion, and yes, how fresh your urine smells. The solution isn't to gulp down gallons of water. It's to sip steadily throughout the day. A glass in the morning, a refillable bottle nearby, and small sips at meals can make urine lighter, less irritating, and far less odorous. More water doesn't mean more accidents. In fact, it helps your body work the way it's meant to, which makes staying fresh much easier. The fourth mistake has to do with clothing choices. What you wear each day doesn't just affect how you look, it affects how your body breathes. Tight, synthetic fabrics like polyester, nylon, or spandex trap heat and moisture around the pelvic area. That creates the perfect environment for bacteria to grow, and for odors to stick around longer than they should. Even leggings or shapewear that look clean on the outside can hold odor in close to the body. And synthetic blends are harder to wash fully clean. Traces of odor can remain in the fibers and reactivate once warmed by body heat. Switching to looser, breathable clothing made from natural fibers like cotton or bamboo allows air to circulate and moisture to evaporate. That alone can dramatically reduce lingering odors. And alternating outfits, rather than re-wearing tight garments day after day, gives fabrics time to fully freshen between washes. Sometimes the answer really is as simple as letting your body breathe. The fifth mistake is neglecting proper intimate hygiene. Now, this doesn't mean someone is unclean. In fact, many older women bathe daily, but still notice odor. The real issue is often that the wrong products or methods are being used. Harsh soaps, perfumed washes, or scrubbing too hard can dry out delicate skin and throw off the body's natural balance. That actually makes odor stronger, not weaker. On the other hand, avoiding the area altogether out of embarrassment or fear of irritation can leave behind residue that clings even after wiping. The best approach is usually the simplest: gentle cleansing with warm water, using a soft cloth, and drying thoroughly. For women who use pads or experience occasional leaks, a quick rinse or wipe during the day can prevent odor from building up. It doesn't take fancy products. It takes consistency, gentleness, and making sure the skin is truly clean and dry. The sixth and final mistake is not changing underwear daily or not changing it after leaks. This might sound surprising, but it's one of the most common reasons odor lingers. Even if underwear looks clean, small amounts of moisture or residue can cling to the fabric. As you move, body heat reactivates those smells, and they can transfer to outer clothing or even upholstery. Some women stretch out their laundry routine or reuse underwear for comfort or convenience. But urine residue, even in tiny amounts, builds up over time. That residue is what traps odor. The solution is simple. Change into a fresh pair every morning and again after any leaks. Wash underwear thoroughly with enough detergent, rinse well, and dry completely. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in how fresh you feel throughout the day. Now, let's step back for a moment. We've talked about 6 common mistakes: pads worn too long, hidden infections, skipping hydration, tight clothing, incomplete hygiene, and not changing underwear often enough. None of these are about personal failure. They're about small patterns that can sneak into daily life, often without anyone realizing it. And here's the most important thing to remember: smelling like urine is not an inevitable part of getting older. It's usually a sign that something in your routine, environment, or health needs a small adjustment. One change at a time can transform not just the way you smell, but the way you feel. You deserve to walk into a room without worry, to sit beside someone without fear, and to feel completely at ease in your body. And the truth is you can, because freshness isn't about perfection. It's about awareness, care, and kindness toward yourself. Thank you for joining me in this conversation today. If you found these insights valuable, I'd love for you to share in the comments what tip resonated most with you. Maybe it was something simple you hadn't considered, or maybe it was a reminder of a habit you've been meaning to change. Whatever it is, your thoughts matter, and sharing them helps others feel less alone. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.